Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jock Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to you today about is the $50 Turbo Cash Machine. This program is probably about 2 or 3 years old. Uh, it's still converting like crazy. It's still popular amongst mail order marketers or mail order moguls or direct mail marketers or whatever you want to call it. And it just sums it up. Extremely powerful. Uh, it's only gonna cost you $100 to join. It pays you 2 levels deep, really 3 levels, cause the monitor get 50. And so it only gonna cost you $100 to join. Uh, you send me 50, you send the monitor 50, and you actually save 50. Like I say, this thing is really taking off. It's been good to me for over 3 years. And when you join, you're gonna get the $20 Turbo Cash Machine for free. On that one, you receive $20 payments. Also, when you join, not only are you gonna get your camera ready flyers, you're also gonna get a marketing kit that's gonna put you on the right track to marketing your own program yourself. But this thing is extremely popular amongst mail order marketers. So what I'm gonna do is put my link below and make sure when you get over there, it's a link to my new blog. The link below is a link to my new blog, and then when you go there, click on the mail order programs tab and subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to the right. But this thing is crazy. But like I say, you just need to send me 50, send the monitor 50. And all you got to do is mail out every week on a consistent basis and get your downline to do the same thing. It's all about duplication. Um, as you can see right here, you see massive leverage. That's what duplication is all about. You mail out and you get your downline to mail out. And just imagine having your name on thousands of flyers, or maybe even tens of thousands of flyers with the chance to make $50 off of each one. So that is what you call massive leverage. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the link to my blog below. Make sure you subscribe. Click that notification bell to the right. And y'all have a good day and get involved with the $50 Turbo Cash Machine. Peace.